another video. So today I'm going to be showing you guys two new product research methods that if you're a new seller, you probably have not heard of them before. Now these aren't really like relatively new, like people talked about them in the past in 2018. But more likely than not, if you're a completely new seller for this year, you probably have not heard about these. And the reason that we want to use these type of product research methods that are new and not that many people use them is because we're going to be able to find products that people won't find. That way, there's less competition. And if you probably heard about Jungle Scout or the Jungle Scout web app, everybody uses that thing to find products, and since everybody since everybody uses it, it becomes very saturated. Products become very saturated over time, and in a couple months' time, which is something that it's very detrimental to do, especially new sellers. And I don't want any of that type of stuff to happen to you guys. So the first method that we are going to search up is we're going to go ahead and type in Amazon best. What was it? Hot? No, it was hot new releases. So once you search that up, go ahead and click on this, and then the way that this product research method works is it's actually finding us products that are relatively new that just came out, and also we're discovering different niches that we might have not heard of, may not have heard before. And once we go deeper into these niches, we're going to be able to find other products that are related to it, and really just take apart a niche or break it down and really find all the different types of products that may be in it that we may have never heard about before or never seen before. So mainly the categories that I like to look through are beauty, personal care, arts, crafts, and sewing, and also, or is it home and kitchen? So let's try home and kitchen starting out. And honestly, you can do this for any category. Of course, don't go for categories like electronics or toys and games, or computers and accessories and stuff, because those categories are going to be they're going to be a little bit more competitive. I'm not saying you can't get into them, but starting out as a new seller, I'd suggest using some of these categories. So home and kitchen, and then what we want to do after you click on a main category is go deeper into the niche. So we can go down to maybe. Let's go scrolling down here, and let's actually look for potential products. And what we're really looking for is something that's going to be light, or something that should be doable when it comes to researching the product on Alibaba, which, if you guys don't know, is a sourcing website which we will be using to source our products over from China over to an FBA facility here in the USA, or whatever country or marketplace that you're on. So let's go ahead and keep scrolling down here. And then we can also go deeper into the niche, so we can look for food service equipment and supplies. Okay, so no. Shelves and racks, no. Let's go back here and try a more broad category. So maybe storage and organization, that's also a good one. And then let's see, cabinet and drawer organization. What is this? Copco skid pantry cabinet. Let's actually click on this and look at other products related to it. So once you find a product that sort of interests you or maybe caught your eye, what you guys want to do is scroll down all the way to the bottom, and there's going to be a section here, right here, sponsored product related to this item, and it's going to show products that are related to it in the same niche. And this is very powerful because with this tool, we're going to be able, or with this method, we're going to be able to find products that are related to it that we may not have heard about before, or simply not that competitive, or products maybe that are new releases as well. So if we search through here, makeup organizer, I think that one's a little too competitive right now. Leather spinning remote control holder. Let's actually look that up. That one has 10 reviews, so let's give that one a go. Let's look that one up, and then let's just see the let's actually look at the numbers here. And guys, you always will need Jungle Scout in order to do your product research. If you don't have Jungle Scout, it's like if you get the standard version, I believe it's like $100. The pro version, which is going to give you some more information about the product, it's going to be around like $200. Honestly, you need this tool no matter what, whatever one you get, because if you don't have it, it's going to be very, very hard to determine whether or not a product is good. So scrolling down here, as you can see, there's not really anything that it looks like this product doesn't seem to be doing that well. Maybe it's the keyword I put in, or it might just be the fact that it is too competitive. Let me see. So if we put spinning, so let's actually click on this one, and then we're going to go deeper into this niche. So as you can see here, this is a full process, and I'm sure some of these things that I've pulled up here you guys haven't even heard about before. And honestly, those are the products that are going to be doing the best. It's the products that you don't know about. It's the products that nobody's heard about before because because the sellers aren't searching for them, or and you just got to keep that in mind. Okay, let's go down here. So I'm not really saying anything too great, but however, this is like okay guys, this is the realism of doing product research right here. And I want to show you guys this because there's so many people out there on YouTube, they'll be like, oh yeah, find a $50,000 product or 20,000 product, and they find it within like 5 minutes. That's not how it works. Like literally, you have to take the time to do product research, whether it takes you days or months or hours or minutes. It's going to be different for everybody, right? Because not everybody's doing the same type of product research. They're not putting the same amount of effort in, or they're not doing the they're not following, they're not doing it correctly. And we just need to take our time when it comes to product research. That's one of the most difficult things, is just doing the product. It's not difficult, it's just very time consuming, and people, they just lose the motivation because they think it's taking too long. Guys, it's not taking too long. This stuff takes time, so you cannot try to rush it. You can't just do product research for like 15 minutes and then call it quits. So you got to stick to this, guys. Like literally, it takes me a while to find my products, and I'll find a good product that I think is good, and then I'll figure out later that, oh, maybe it costs a lot to manufacture, or it's too heavy, or simply the profit margins just aren't there. So this is the whole process, guys, and I'm telling you, people are not using this method as much as you think they are, and everyone's taking the easy way out. They're trying to use software for the Jungle Scout web app for finding products for them, and they're not using that to their advantage. And if you are using that, what I suggest you guys do is use that app, the Jungle Scout web app. It's $40 a month. Find products on there that look good, or just find other products on there, just random products, and look for those niches. Look for search. Take those products, put them on Amazon and search for them, and then look for products that are related to them, and like the process that we just did here. And trust me, I guarantee you will find very good products. I've done it before, and some of those products that I found through this method have not showed up on the web app. So we're going to go ahead and go into the next product research method here, which is looking at reviews. So if you guys don't know, probably I'd say 9 out of 10 starter reviews for products, they aren't real. It's obvious. People just trying to get reviews out there on their listing. So let's go ahead and click on this one. I'm going to see here, and the reason that we want to use this method is because most of the time people, when they get their very first reviews on their listing, they pay people for it, or they'll get somebody to do the review for them. And these people that they find, a lot of times they are people that they're known for doing reviews for multiple products, or people, or for sellers that are new, or for sellers that are just trying to get their product out there. So they're known for doing this many times. So all you guys have to do is find these people, and you can literally click on their accounts and look at other products I have reviewed in the past. So if we scroll down here, so if you see all 10 reviews, and scroll all the way down here, this one looks like the first one, I believe. Well, no, it's not. Hold on, let me actually sort this. Okay. So this one looks like the oldest one. So let's go ahead and click on their account. And then sometimes you're not always going to find, those people that are reviewing other products as well that may have just came out. And the reason behind that is because maybe these are organic reviews. Maybe this review that this person got was a legitimate one. So let's go ahead and search here so you can figure out. Literally shows all the different products that this person has done a review for. So LED cup holder with harness. No. You really want to look for people that have done like a substantial amount of reviews. Especially those people that will leave pictures and stuff, like people that leave pictures or people that leave video listings. Like if you search up a product on Amazon and then you see that maybe the first Amazon review is a video or a product image, you gotta think to yourself, why would this person why would he go out of his way to post that on there? It's obvious that the seller probably paid them to do that, or that the seller asked them to do that. So those are definitely candidates that you guys want to look for. So this is a desktop organizer. Let's actually look for that. And this one only has 5 reviews, so this could be potentially a product. So let's go ahead and search that up really quickly. Desktop organizer. Now this is probably something that is going to be competitive. It's a very broad keyword and a lot of people search for it each month. So I mean, there's a guy on here making 16,000 with 49 reviews, but as you can see by the reviews, this product is insanely competitive, so that's not really a surprise here. But this is the concept, guys. If you guys have any questions about this, make sure you mention it down below. But tell me if you've heard about this method before, because not a lot of people are using it, and I think it's it's like not like people don't think of this type of method off the top of their head. So when they're doing product research, it's something that you guys should definitely look into and consider. So yeah, guys, that's all I really want to talk about in this video today. If you have any questions on how to do this product research method, make sure you put it down below. Make sure you like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.